Now if you click on this, it is not going to work. So now here I'm going to go into the sidebar, and in this sidebar I'm going to scroll down, and here as you can see, this is to toggle the sidebar. So this is what we want. Now we don't want this script tag, as we already have this script tag in our code. So as you can see, so what we want is just this button. Now we already have a button here, so we just need this on click. So let's copy this, and in here as you can see, this is the button for the sidebar. So here I'm going to paste this on click. Now let's check this out. So as you can see, now it is working. So now if you just go in this sidebar section in the Halfmoon website, then you'll find these different types of sidebars. So we want this type of sidebar. This is the overlaid one. So if we click on this button, then this should open this sidebar, and the main body should be in a darker mode, so it is just going to highlight this sidebar. So we want this. So for that, what we have to do is we have to first copy this, and we have to paste it here, and then after just copy this sidebar overlay part and paste it below. So okay, this is done. Now let's check it out. So as you can see, we have this nav bar, and this is now overlapping the header and footer as well. Okay, now we are going to have some links in there. So we are going to have two links, one for login, the second one is for sign up, and we are also going to have a search bar. So let's do that. So we want that in the sidebar. So this is the section where we have to paste the code for that, and here as well they have given the link for that page. So we are just going to go in there. Okay, so this is the sidebar that I want. So here we have this div tag with this sidebar class. So I'm going to copy everything that is in between this div tag, and I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, now let's see this. So this is how we get. Now I'm going to remove this brand. So I don't want this, I just want the search bar and two links here. So I'm going to remove some extra links from here as well. So let's do that. So these are some of the extra links that I don't want. So I'll remove this, and in here under getting started we already have these two links. So I'm just going to change the name from this to login, and here also I'm going to change it to sign up. Okay, that is done. Now let's remove this brand part as well, and yeah, okay, that is done. So as you can see, we just have this search bar and then these two links. Now I want to also change this icon here, so let's do that. So as you can see, we have this font awesome icon. This is for code and this is for terminal, but we want to change it and make it for login and sign up. So for login we have this one, and for sign up we have this one. So you will find this from the Font Awesome website, so go there and search for login and sign up icons and you will find those there. So I've set them. Now let's go into the website and let's check them out. So as you can see, now this is for login and this is for sign up. Now here this one is highlighted and this one is not. As you can see, this is in blue color, so this means that it is active, but the thing is that we are not on the login page, we are in the index.html page. So we have to change this and make it normal as this sign up button. So let's go into our code, and as you can see, this active class, so we'll just remove this, and now it is back to normal.